Taylor-Dunn provides top-quality commercial and industrial vehicles as well as tow tractors to meet your specific needs. The MX-600 improves repair and maintenance productivity by reducing travel time and provides a mobile workshop at the service site. The MX-600 custom repair vehicle is 86 inches long by 32 inches wide. The deck size is 30 inches wide by 27 inches long. The modularized control system design provides for ease of maintenance on all electrical systems. Safety loop tiller steering protects the driver, and a solid-state controller and Hall effect accelerator module provides safe acceleration during operation. The 24-volt MX-600 travels at a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour, with a range of 20 miles. The repair vehicle has a tow capacity of 2,000 pounds and a load capacity of 600 pounds. The MX-600 has a turning radius of 81 inches with a 162-inch outside clearance circle. The MX-600 comes standard with headlight, tail light, portable battery charger, foot-operated parking brake, battery status indicator, forward-reverse selector, and electric horn. Additional standard equipment include 5-drawer steel lockable toolbox, lockable storage compartment, tool cabinet, workbench, and vise. Should none of the published options fit your particular needs, Taylor-Dunn can custom engineer and build an MX-600 vehicle specifically for you. With over 190,000 vehicles in service and over 60 years of experience in the industry, Taylor-Dunn products are the best way to go about your business. Taylor-Dunn, tough and dependable since 1949.